Hello guys, my name is Salil and you are watching Not Your YouTube channel. Today we are going to look about why should we learn to code. Now there are many reasons to code, and to understand that we should understand what is coding. So coding technically means, not technically, uh, just for a simple example, coding means like telling your computer in some sort of language to do something for you, like add some numbers, subtract some numbers, do these random calculations for me and something like that. And there are multiple languages in which you can speak to your computer with. And if you go into the technicality, what coding means is that writing something in a syntax which has something logical meaning, and you provide a data to it via human or you know machine interactions and get a valuable information through it. So this is way more technical. General spirit is that tell your machine that to perform something for you, like just a basic addition. You had two numbers, 2 and 4. You had to add those, right? And you know the answer right now. It is 6. Very very simple, very trivial thing to do. But imagining that they are very large numbers, like 2k, something something something, 2 million, 2400 or something like that, plus another big number. The math geeks will do it very easily, but normal people, like, see, I am not able to think the numbers also. So normal people like us will not be able to do that. So here it comes coding. Coding makes your life easier. That brings to why should we do coding. Although coding makes your life easier is my second point. My first point is job. Well, coding provides you with lot of job opportunities. You can either be a freelancer or you can join a MNC or a startup. Depends upon you. Generally, we think that coding only depends to IT or CS guys, but it is not like that. It is everywhere now. You can make your application, you can make your mobile app, throw it on Play Store or App Store, and you can earn money from that. You can sell it to third party vendors who require specific applications for them. The market is never ending in mobile application and SaaS applications. So you can easily grab a job, not easily, but by learning yourself and by getting more and more experience about coding, you can grab a job in coding sector, or you can say IT sector. uh, as far as other field goes, like mechanical, civil, coding also helps, because what coding defines on your resume that you have some discipline to do something, and coding requires a lot of discipline. So it adds on to your resume very nicely. To automate your task and create some pet projects. Well, I am lazy and I am engineer, so it's a very deadly combination. I require to do a lot of work regarding Excel sheets and all those stuff. It's very tedious and very boring thing to do. So instead of doing all those filters on those Excel sheets, what I do is I write a Python code or something like that, wherein it reads my data and sorts it accordingly and gives me the output I want in whatever format I want. So you can automate your task using coding. Also, you can create pet projects. Like, I am very lazy to switch on and off the light. So what I did, that I created a voice controlled Raspberry Pi system, wherein I used to control my lights, that is creating an home automation system basically. It increases your problem solving skills. Whenever you code, you have a problem statement, and each problem statement consists of different modules, and you have to think modularly and take out solution for that problems, at sometimes at the granular level, or you have to look at the global level, that what impact it will create on the entire project. Or sometimes you may have to think out of the box, that this entire thing is not required, we can do it in a much simpler way. So it increases your problem solving skills, and also it increases your imagination power. It gives us a very nice stimulus to your imagination, and the things you can do in coding are limitless. It definitely makes you a team player, because coding is all about being in a team. You cannot do everything as a single person. Just for an example, let's take a SaaS application wherein you require a front end developer, a back end developer, a DevOps engineer. If that SaaS applications require some sort of data mining and AI, then there is a data science guy, and there are testing guys, and there are also system level scripts wherein the DevOps guy generally do that, but also there are system engineers who manages your all the data. So in that case, it is a very collaborative effort. If you fail to communicate in those circumstances, it is very hard to deliver a good project. It forces you to be a team player. Gradually, you increase your communicational skills, how to talk to your how to talk to your boss, or how to talk to your other people, how to talk to your team lead, how to delegate tasks to your who work for you, who work under you. So this kind of delegations and managing the task at different level you can definitely do, and that's why it makes you a team player. Coding also boosts creativity, like I said in the earlier. When you tend to do problem solving skills, it increases your creativity. And definitely, if you see most of the MNCs that are there today, like you can take for example, you want a doorstep delivery, Amazon is there. If you want to search anything, Google is there. If you want to stay connected with your friends and family, Facebook is there. And if you want to ride, there is Uber. So all these were the day-to-day problems that we used to face, but we did not think that there can be an application or something like that. I- prior to 20 years, we did not think that anything regarding this could happen. But somewhere some people thought about this, and that this can be a perfect market wherein they can explore. Seems like we have almost everything explored, but there, believe me, there are lots of ideas yet to explore. Obviously, it increases your knowledge. Generally, when you talk about a generalized guy or something, who is not aware of what security is, uh, regarding to the applications he is using, and how all the other stuff works, like how Google works, how they store your data, is it safe or not, where on, what is cloud, is it secure, the Wi-Fi you are using, is it secure, what is VPN. You tend to question a lot when you start to learn code, because you go into the domain of IT wherein these questions are asked frequently, and it increases your curiosity that how this thing works. So definitely it will really increase your knowledge regarding the IT and your data. And last but not the least, anyone can do it. Basically, there are lots of tutorials available on the internet. They are either free or either paid. You can directly go on to w3schools.com or tutorialspoint.com. They have most of the nicest tutorial available to begin with. If you are a beginner, if you are intermediate, or uh, intermediate people and expert people can directly go on to Udemy, wherein if they are not perfect into a particular domain, or they want to start with a new domain, they can already go on to Udemy and various tutorial platforms that are available. One bonus point that I would like to tell, that if you face any problem in coding, someone has already implemented it, and you can always find it on the internet if you look hard enough. There are lots of forum. You may have known that Stack Overflow, Quora, and all those things are. There are a lot of questions asked by a lot of the community. Is very big regarding to coding, and be it any language, Java, Python, JavaScript, Node.js, TypeScript, anything. The coding is ever increasing because there are lots of people coming into this domain, and there is no thing, absolutely there is no thing that you are going to do it first time. Very rarely it is a thing that you are going to do it first time. Always it will be something like that someone has already done it, and you have to just search it, and you have to look it hard enough, and you will definitely find it. So thank you for watching this video. This is all it is, that why should you learn to code. And if you think that I have motivated you, please like and subscribe and share as much as you can. Thank you.